this is my luck. I just got it freshly inspected, right? And I was like, this piece of shit passed. As he was inspecting it, I could hear this car like misfiring and bucking and jerking. And then as I'm pulling out of the inspection station, check engine light comes on. Oh my God, what have I gotten myself into? Okay, so back at the house, and I hooked up my scanner. Actually, I want to show you guys that. Got the scanner from Amazon. It's a Bluetooth module, hooks up to your cell phone, and you have to have an Android phone. That's the only thing, but it's super cheap. It's like $20. I've seen ones that are like $3 on eBay, but I don't know. I read really good reviews on Amazon about this product. It's let me see. It's called BAFX Products. Here, I'll show you. There it is. And basically I got it because I read one review and it convinced me to get it. This one guy said his broke after 5 years and the people replaced it for free. I was like, wow, that's pretty good for 20 bucks. So I picked it up and it's been a lifesaver for this car, my parents' car, everything like that. But let me see. I'll show you guys what caused the check engine light to go on. It was, I don't know if this is going to be flipped in the video or not. Let me see. It was P0304, which is cylinder 4 misfire. Let's go check it out. Oh, and the app I used for all this is called Torque. Here, let me see if I can show you guys. It's pretty cool. It's free. I got the Pro version, which I also found for free, if you know where to look. Wink, wink. Anyway, pretty simple. So, cylinder 4 should be this one, but I'm going to pull everything out and make sure everything's okay. This is what the first plug looks like. Brand spanking new. I did notice it wasn't torqued down very tight at all, so I'm going to have to look up the torque specifications on this car. Maybe it's something ridiculous like 7 pounds or something. But definitely going to look into that. Let's pull the other ones. When I pulled cylinder 4's coil, look at what I found. What the hell? Look at all this black tape over here. And then there's a burn mark there. This definitely has to be replaced. I don't like the looks of that. Is it a coincidence that this cylinder had the misfire? I doubt. Pulled out all my plugs and they seem to be in decent condition. Definitely down the road though, I'm gonna switch out plugs to some NGKs or something like that. Not sure if AC Delco is reliable on these things or not. So based on everything else, I'm gonna assume this is the culprit. And I mean, it was a dead giveaway, but probably gonna change. I have to change that, and everything should be good. We are back in the Miata. I'm just trying to show you guys how easy it is to use Torque. So I have my profile selected under my car. Go on fault codes. That's present, and then let me see. You see where it says clear faults on ECU? I'm just gonna press that. Okay. Now I'm actually on my way to get the ignition wires, but I just wanted to clear it just to show you guys. It's probably going to come back. Oh yeah. Hear it? Still messed up. Here we are the next day, and it works. No check engine light. I drove it already like 50 miles. Everything's good. fixed. And check out the, I'll show you guys what I replaced. There we go. Brand new ignition wires. Yeah. We're also finally getting to clean this car. This is my brother vacuuming, if you guys couldn't tell already. Enjoy! No, hello. Yeah, clean that shit up. Speaking of shit, what the hell is this crap? Ew. Yeah, this car really has a dusty smell to it. I gotta try to figure out how to remove this cigarette lighter because it doesn't work. I checked the fuse already down here. Down there there's a fuse box and it's fine. So I gotta figure out what's going on with this thing. I checked out the two wires, positive, negative, they're both fine too, so it's a lighter. Turns out I just had to clean some dirt in there and it works. And there you have it, folks. Sometimes the fix is pretty simple. Definitely hope to see you soon. Like and subscribe. Comment if you guys want to see me do anything else.